morning again from the beautiful sunny Mallorca. As you can see, it is very sunny already. It's about 8:30, so we're going to go and meet the group, and then we're going to go and do a fairly flat route and then head up into the mountains and go to a lovely little vegetarian cafe. Just go out and just have a nice steady pace ride. Morning! How are you all?
Good.
All ready to roll? I think it'll be about 80k, but what we thought is it's a flat, it'll be 60 from here. So yeah, it'll be a flat ride out to the cafe. Nice to meet you. You're right. Yeah, we'll go to Ruta Verde, which is a really nice like veggie vegan cake cafe, and then go up into like a little bit of a climb and then drop back down and then come around. But we'll steady pace. Sorry?
To Kaimari, Ruta Verde.
Ruta Verde.
Right. Yeah, Kaimari.
Yes.
Yes. Kaimari,
Yeah.
And you're going up the hill from Kaimari.
Yeah.
If everyone wants to.
Yeah.
If everyone really doesn't want to, we can come back.
It's not like yesterday.
It's a lovely climb. Take it gradually.
Just take it really steady. Ready? Woohoo! A bit windy, but it is a beautiful day. So just outside our favourite little cafe, Ruta Verde, and we've actually just had our drinks and cake and peppermint tea actually I had, which was very nice. And so now we're going to head up the climb, just taking it very steady today. I feel a little bit off it. I think it's because my sight, I'm still going on about it. I just don't feel 100%, so I don't feel as excitable as I probably normally would, and I feel bad because it's so pretty and the weather's so good and we've been such a nice group of people, but I like to be honest with you and I just feel a little bit bleh. But hopefully some more ibuprofen is going to ease my side, and yeah, at least I'm still able to ride, so I can't complain too much. So we'll see you on the beautiful ride up Sabatala. Did you like it?
No, we were just there.
Oh really? Oh, you like? Yeah.
That was perfect.
Hello.
Beautiful climb in the forest land. That was fantastic.
Good.
And the tarmac also.
The tarmac is pretty nice up there, isn't it? It's really smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Jay's favourite of that one. Now we've got a bit of descending and then another bit of climbing and then a big descent. Whoop.
Take it steady.
Yeah, definitely take it steady, definitely.
It's not exposed like in the sun, like in Sakalabra.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, indeed.
No. Do you really? Dun dun dun! Mallorca who hates Sakalabra.
It's beautiful to look at.
It is so pretty.
There's just something about the climb. I did it a couple of weeks ago. I had to stop. First time in a very long time.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know whether I went too hard. I forgot I wasn't.
Yeah, it's very easy to do that though, because you get so excited.
Yeah, I think it's really about getting a rhythm.
Yeah.
It's a bit.
But I think because the gradient changes so much as well, you constantly like stop start. Yeah.
I know it's more or less steady.
Yeah.
Hairpins.
Yeah. But Mallorca, if you come to Mallorca, you got to do Sakalabra. You just got to do it. So we're all sat now. We've just done Sabataya. Is that the right pronunciation? Sabataya. Or the petrol station, if you don't want to pronounce it. But yeah, we're all discussing what we're going to be doing for the 312, because it is, I think it's 14 hours to do 312k and like over 5,000 meters climbing, so it is pretty, it'll be pretty tight to try and get it in the time, so we're just seeing what we'll probably just do it out of the time, to be honest. Yeah. It's so busy, there's just so many bikes, aren't there?
Yeah.
So busy.
That's the first time I see a petrol station so busy with bikes.
Yeah. No cars in the petrol station, just a load of bikes. We've already done, what, 60 games? Or that style lunch. Oh my god, it's so windy. He's got some bread. Oh, I got tomatoes. Oh.
Well done.
So it's been a few hours since the ride and we are now cooking dinner, and I wanted to give you a tip. So a question I get asked on all my videos where I'm away is, how do you afford to go away so often? And the reason is we do it on the cheap. Yeah, we just do it as cheap as we possibly can. We find the cheapest flights, obviously, as most people do, but then we also make sure that we're in like an Airbnb or somewhere like that so that we've got access to a kitchen. We just go a little, buy all our food and then cook it at home. So yeah, that is it. We're gonna have like a mega feast. Waiting for Anthony to eat. Come on! The suspense! So we've created like our own little alfresco restaurant. Are you ready for this? We are like, look how happy our little faces are at this. All we've done is brought some pans of food outside and we feel like we're like billionaires on a boat or something. Like, look at this. This makes me sound. We've got rice, some what would you call it? Some stew.
A tomato stew.
A tomato stew. Got my favourite salad. We got bread, and we got pasta, and we got lemonade. So I reckon let's just sit down and
Enjoy.
it. That is better food than you would get at any restaurant, I would reckon. Look how happy you are. And look at this. I'm just gonna go. Oh, it looks so good. And now we have a little evening stroll on the beach with these two. Hey! It's so windy, and I'm trying to cover the mic, but what a perfect end to today. And just food with friends and bikes and beautiful scenery. And look at these two now. Oh, we're just like watching the sunset. So nice. Just happy, very happy. Good end to the day. So on this beautiful sunset, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Good night. God bless. I'll see you tomorrow for another video in the beautiful Mallorca.
You're right.
It's funny that noise. It's the lighthouse. Oh.
There's a tiny little lighthouse down there, and Anthony thought he meant the Fermenter lighthouse. And he's like, I think it's a little bit further away.
Big thing and it's like
On the top of Fermenter, you remember? Right, okay.
Why is he lying?
There's a Sag Labra there. It's there.
Oh my god.
Central direction 0.
Joking.